In this video, I am going to guide about how to see your Lyft ride receipts. This will help you track expenses or download receipts for records. Just follow these straightforward steps to get started. 1. Open the Lyft app on your smartphone and log into your account. 2. Tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. 3. Select ride history from the menu options. 4. Browse through your past rides and tap on the one you need a receipt for. 5. Review the ride details including the fare breakdown. 6. Tap on get receipt or download receipt if available. 7. Check your email for the receipt if it was sent automatically. 8. If you need a receipt for business or tax purposes, you can forward it from your email. Lyft allows you to access ride receipts easily for tracking expenses. You can also use the Lyft website to view and download ride receipts. If you don't receive a receipt, check your spam folder or contact Lyft support.